Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back again with another wig. Today I am working with Yolissa's hair. Let's go ahead and get into this packaging, girl. So their packaging was really cute. It came in this silk bag and it had the color purple on it, and purple is currently my favorite color, y'all. So this is really cute. Of course, they sent me some free goodies. It had a wig band, a wig cap, some eyelashes, and an elastic band, and of course a edge brush. We can't forget about that. I'm forever losing my brushes, so I really appreciate when a wig comes with nice goodies. Also, they sent me an extra elastic band and it just says Yolissa hair on it, and then it's two-toned, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. So this right here is in the texture Water Wave, 200 density, y'all, 24 inches, and it's a 13x4. I'm really feeling Water Wave hair. Usually I get more kinky texture hair, like natural like hair, but lately I've been really feeling like the curly looking hair. Like this hair had me feeling like I was Puerto Rican and I was just mixed with a little Latina. Like I really love this unit. Also, y'all, the best part about this unit is that the lace was HD. That's how it looked against my skin. Like, what lace? It definitely was HD. A lot of companies will say their hair is HD, but they don't actually send you HD. But this right here was HD. It was very secure. It had 3 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and again, y'all, it came with an elastic band, so you can go ahead and build that in as well. So this is how the hairline of the unit looked before I did anything to it. As y'all can see, it was pre-plucked a little bit, but I just wanted it to look a little more natural, so I went in and I plucked the unit just a little bit more. But again, this is before I added anything to the hair. This is the hair in its natural texture. I haven't wet it. I haven't added any products in it, y'all. The hair was just really full and fluffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what I do. Y'all know I use my Got2b glue, my Got2b freeze spray to lay the lace on my units. I tie it down. So I'm not going to talk throughout this whole video. I'm going to go ahead and put some calming music over it, and I'm going to let this play out, and then once I'm done, I'm going to come back on camera and give y'all my final thoughts. But again, if you're interested in this unit, everything will be listed down below. Thank you so much for Yolissa's Hair for sponsoring today's video.